Hey everybody, welcome back to One Seed, One World. So today I'm trying out a new chicken waterer and wanted to show you guys what I was doing. You can get different kinds of chicken waterers for your chickens. You can get those like little nipple things that they can go up and peck on and the water comes out. You have to train them how to do that. You can just use a big tub or bowl, which is kind of what I've been using, is like the big rubber tub things that you get from your local farm store or Tractor Supply or whatever. But what I find with those bowls or tubs is they get dirty really fast, especially if you have a chicken or two that like to walk around in the water. I have one especially, Opal, that walks into the water all the time and sometimes even poops in there. And anyway, she makes a big mess, drags other dirt and leaves and stuff in there. And then, especially because they're black rubber, when it's sunny out, algae starts to grow in there. You have to constantly scrub them out. And I kind of wanted to try something different. So, I got these Poultry drinking cups that I'm going to try out. You can get these on Amazon for $19.99 for a set of 5. And I'll put a link down below if you want to try it out yourself. And basically, what you do, get yourself a bucket with a lid, and then drill some holes in it to put those watering cups in, and then fill your bucket with water and put a lid on top. And then get your chickens to drink out of the little cups, and then they're not walking around in the water. Plus, you've got a 5-gallon bucket. Granted, you have to bring the cup up high enough so that the water comes out okay. You can't have it all the way down at the bottom. But I can probably fit a good, 4.5 gallons in here with a lid on top that'll keep it clean, keep them from walking in it, and still give them water to drink. So let's see how this works. So what I've done here is I've measured up about 3 inches from the bottom of the bucket. And I'm gonna space these holes, and then I drilled a hole. You have to use a 3/8 bit drill, and then just drill a little hole in there. It's really easy. And then I'm going to space them out probably about 7 inches apart all the way around the bucket. Okay, so I got my 5 holes drilled in here. It went really quick. It was really easy. The one thing that you want to make sure if you decide to do this is, when you drill your hole, there's going to be probably some like little pieces of plastic on the inside where your drill bit came through, and you want to make sure that you get all those off of there. I just used like a little pair of pliers and kind of pulled off any of the little bits. It's kind of the chicken waterer version of the hanging chads. But having those pieces of plastic, like the chunks on there, can make it so that your grommets and stuff don't connect tightly and can end up causing it to leak. So you want to make sure that it's smooth. You could probably also take a little piece of sandpaper and get them off that way as well. Once you have all your holes drilled, you just push the cup through there. It takes a little bit of doing because it's a tight fit. And then they come with, let me get this on camera here. Where are we going? Come with this just little nut here that you then screw on the inside of the bucket. And I can't get my camera in the bucket, but basically you just, your cup's going to come through, and then you just put the nut on there and screw it on tight. Okay, I think I got that pretty tight there. So far, not a whole lot to this. Let's hope it doesn't leak. So I'm gonna get the rest of these put on, and then we'll see how it works. Okay, so it's all on the bucket here. You see got them all on there lined up. It's not completely perfect, but that's okay. Doesn't really matter. Now we're going to fill this with water, and we're going to see how this turned out. crossing fingers for no leaks.
There were days where we thought we wouldn't make it out, but we stuck it out. Today's our day. Today's our day. There were nights we would fight, no wind inside, nothing was right tonight.
So far there doesn't seem to be any leaks, so that's a good thing. And they're already using it. That's another good thing. To get your chickens trained on using a new waterer, you have to remove the old one. So I'm gonna dump out this old thing that they've already been walking in all day. The one problem I might have is that the area where I set their water is this old log that's not super level. It's like an old stump that was cut off that I used to prop things up. But let me see how this works sitting up on here. Oh, that's still fine. It's not perfectly level, but all the cups are filled, so I think we'll probably be okay. I'm gonna put the lid on here. And we'll see what they think of that.
Tonight's our night. I'll fight for you until this life is over. There's no giving up here, babe. We'll make it out and fall in love tonight. Ain't nothing needed but us feeling right. Just take a chance, we got a wild ride. Wait and see, you and me, we were meant to be. We were meant to be. We were meant to be.
Okay, so it appears to have worked. They're already all using it. I'm excited about that. Holds a lot more water than that other bowl, and this will keep it clean. So if you want to try out doing these little clucker cups, I think they're called, super easy to put together, and a set of 5 only costs $19.99 on Amazon. That's totally worth it for me. So I'm going to monitor it for the next couple of days, make sure I don't have any leaks or anything. But if that one works okay, then I'm going to make a second one and put it in with the little Bantam hens as well, and then I'll have 2 waterers going, and I'll just keep watching it and make sure that it continues to work. So there you have it. New chicken water. Whatever's going on in your neck of the woods, I hope that it is working out great for you and that your chickens are happy and healthy and staying hydrated. If you have any comments or questions, please put them below. Please give this video a like, thumbs up, whatever they call it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Lots of gardening stuff, chicken stuff, build projects always going on here. So thanks for hanging out again with me today, and I hope that you are having a great day. We'll see you again soon. Namaste, everybody.
Wait and see, you and me, we were meant to be. We were meant to be. We were meant to be. We were meant to be.